ready for a cozy treat. This pumpkin soup is creamy, delicious, and unbelievably easy to put together. Let's get started. There are only 2 aromatics to chop in this recipe because it's the easiest recipe ever: onion and garlic. What's a dinner recipe without garlic, am I right? Once the oil heats up, I add the onion and allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to get some color. We want to bring out a bit of that onion flavor. I add the garlic and the seasonings. Besides salt and pepper, I'm only adding thyme and sage because not only is this recipe easy, it's also simple, but delicious. I heat these for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, just until the garlic becomes fragrant. Now the pumpkin goes in. I am using fresh pumpkin that I cooked and pureed, but feel free to use 2 cans of pumpkin puree. And if you use canned pumpkin, make sure that it contains only pumpkin. Pumpkin pie filling is not what we want in this recipe. Save that for the pumpkin pie. I then add broth. This is veggie stock that I made, but you can use whichever broth you like. I add some pepper and the lid goes on. I'm just cooking this for 10 minutes. This will allow the soup to heat through and the flavors to mingle. Like Captain Picard and Dr. Crusher reuniting over cups of Earl Grey tea. Hey there, I'm active on Instagram every single day. Click the link in the description box. Let's be friends. To add fat and creaminess to the soup, I'm adding coconut milk. Don't worry, you can't actually taste the coconut. Hey, if you're passionate about vegan cooking, hit that subscribe button for lots of delicious vegan recipes. Time to add some toppings. I love croutons on top of hot soup. And I made some seasoned pepitas, which I also add. Pepitas are pumpkin seeds. This is a cashew cream. It adds color contrast plus a bit more richness. I can tell you that this soup is just delightful. My family loves it, and so will yours. Check out this next video for soul-soothing corn chowder. Right here. It's right here. Click it. Click it right here. See this video right here? I want you to click this video right here. What do you mean be quiet?